So, a very good morning, students. Once again, I welcome you all for the online lecture series on remote sensing and GIS. So, this is the lecture related to the objective set on topic satellite image correction. Last lecture, we talked about the remote sensing data and corrections, questions related to those, 15 questions. So, in this, we will be talking about the questions, objective questions, which are very much important and they can come in your exam, which is related to satellite image correction. So the first क्वेश्चन है, हम उसको डिस्कस करेंगे आंसर्स के साथ. तो हमारा जो पहला क्वेश्चन है वो है कि CO2 is mainly absorbed in dash and dash wavelength regions of the EMS. So अगर इसके ऑप्शंस पे जाइए तो पहला है SWIR, तो ये एक ऑप्शन है. दूसरा है NIR एंड SWIR, तीसरा है विजिबल एंड NIR और चौथा है NIR एंड TIR. तो सबसे क्लोजेस्ट ऑप्शन जो है वो है CO2 is mostly absorbed in the SWIR and TIR wavelength regions of the EMS. ठीक, क्लियर हो गया. अगला है estimate the reflectance value of the highlighted digital number. ठीक है, 10100 DN of the Landsat 8 band 2 image और sun elevation angle है 58.0686. तो इस केस में इसका आंसर होगा 0.1021 को मैं सॉल्व करके भी बताऊंगा कैसे आएगा ये. अगला क्वेश्चन है the water vapor removal is important for the night time images. तो ये इसका आंसर होगा ट्रू, क्योंकि वाटर वेपर की हमको जरूरत पड़ती है. अगर रात के इमेजेस की बात करें तो उस समय वाटर वेपर इज very important. So the water vapor removal is very important. So the water vapor removal is important for the night time images. So the answer will be true. अगला है AOT leads to which kind of error? Atmospheric, geometric, radiometric and systematic. So AOT leads to your atmospheric error. So AOT will lead to the atmospheric error. ठीक है. In dark target method of atmospheric correction, the dark pixels are dash from 2 in each band of the images. तो हम उस केस में क्या करते हैं, सबट्रैक्ट करते हैं. तो यहाँ का जो क्वेश्चन आंसर होगा वो हो जाएगा सबट्रैक्टेड. जस्ट वेट अ सेकेंड. The skew distortion error in images is mainly due to. तो skew distortion error जो है वो बेसिकली आपका होता है ड्यू टू द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ. So the skew distortion error in images is mainly due to the rotation of the earth. Okay. The tentative height of an object can be estimated from an RS imagery. तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा ट्रू. ओके, अगला है विच एक्सिस इज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ सेंटर, तो उसका ऑप्शन होगा या। तो कौन सा एक्सिस आपका अर्थ सेंटर की तरफ डायरेक्ट होता है, वो है आपका या। IFOV of a sensor with spatial resolution 1 kilometer, swath width 250 kilometer and scan angle 10 minutes is, सॉल्व करने पे इसका आंसर आएगा 0.0014 रेडियन। Which among these can be used as a GCP for an image? तो इस केस में हमारे पास ऑप्शन है ड्रेनेज चैनल, रोड इंटरसेक्शन, एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड बाउंड्री एंड ट्रीज। तो योर आंसर विल बी रोड इंटरसेक्शन। ठीक है। How many GCPs will be required for spatial interpolation of different images using third order polynomial function? So the answer will be 10. Calculate the relief displacement in a vertical photograph an object with height 200 meters at a distance of 5 inches from Nadir point taken from an altitude of 700 meters. So इस केस में the answer will be 0.14 inches. Which intensity interpolation technique among these adopt maximum approximation for assigning resampled value to a pixel? Nearest neighbor, bilinear interpolation, cubic convolution and Fourier transformation. तो इसका आंसर होगा आपका cubic convolution. Which atmospheric correction method is most suitable for easy detection of haze from the images and why? So options are spectral information based correction, AOT bands can easily be obtained, incorrect है. Temporal information based correction, comparison between multi-temporal images, ये भी incorrect है. Angular information based correction, multiple angles of observation, तो ये true होगा. Spatial information based correction, spatial matching of clear and hazy regions of an image, तो ये भी incorrect है. Next is which among these will be most suitable for haze removal in the Himalayan region? तो इस केस में ATCO-R3, तो ATCO-R3 is most suitable for the haze removal in the Himalayan region. Next is what is the advantage of absolute atmospheric correction over relative? So comparison over space and time, true. Comparison between the in situ and satellite measurement, true. Less approximation, this is also true. So the answer will be all of the above. Radiometric error in an image is introduced due to brightness of the image, curvature of the earth, emissions from the surface and sensor properties. So radiometric error in an image is introduced due to sensor properties. जब भी हम radiometric error की बात करते हैं तो वो basically sensor properties की वजह से induce होते हैं. Spikes an image can be the resultant of higher values of surrounding pixel, ये भी true है, and lower values of surrounding pixel, ये भी true है. So both the option will be correct. What is a major disadvantage of correction through correlation in the line column dropout error? Always needs a correlated band for operation. Corrected line has some same value as adjacent, looks artificially corrected, and corrected data has same radiometric scale. So इसके लिए option will be always needs a correlated band for the operation. Now find the value of x, y, and z using a suitable radiometric error correction technique. तो यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू आ रही है 34, y की वैल्यू 35 एंड z की वैल्यू 30. So these are the questions which are related to your satellite image corrections. नेक्स्ट में हम बात करेंगे डिजिटल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग 1 से रिलेटेड ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट से. तो CO2 is mostly absorbed in the SWIR and TIR wavelength regions of the EWMS. Estimate the reflectance value of the highlighted digital number Dn of the Landsat 8 band to image where sun elevation angle is 58.0686. So the answer will be your 0.1021. The water vapor removal is important for night time images. This is true. AOT leads to the atmospheric error. In dark target method of atmospheric correction, the dark pixels are subtracted from 2-in each band of the image. The skew distortion error in images is mainly due to rotation of the earth. The tentative height of an object can be estimated from an RF imagery. This is also true. So which axis is directed towards the Earth's center? That is your yaw. IFOV of a sensor with a spatial resolution 1 kilometer, SWAT with 250 kilometer, and scan angle 10 second is 0.0014 radian. Which among these can be used as a GCP from an image? That is your road intersection. How many GCPs will be required for the spatial interpolation of different images using third order polynomial function? The answer will be your 10. Calculate the relief displacement in a vertical photograph of an object with 200-meter height at a distance of 5 inches from another point taken from an altitude of 700 meters. The answer is your 0.14 inches. Okay. इसके बाद है your answer will be so calculate the relief displacement in a vertical photograph of an object with 200-meter height at a distance of 5 inches from another point taken from altitude of 700 meters. So the answer will be your 0.14 inches. So this is all about the objective set related to your satellite image correction. Next में हम बात करेंगे digital image processing 1 से. Okay, so thank you. Have a nice day. Enjoy.